Sa aking pananaw, hindi na yan lalaktaw sa 20th Congress. The 19th Congress is different from the 20th Congress. Kaya nga may numero yan. Ha? At yan pinagpapa ng isang election lawyer, no? I forgot his name now, but this is the same legal opinion that is prevailing right now. So, para sa akin, ang impeachment laban kay Sara Duterte ay tapos na. At miski idiretso pa nila yan sa, hindi na nila dinggin, magbotohan na lang sila. I doubt kung makakakuha sila ng 16 votes to convict Vice President Sara Duterte.
Opo.
Within the 19th Congress and even in the 20th Congress. So this is just an exercise in futility. Let us move into the more serious concerns of our people. Hindi yung mga politika-politika na yan.